Yo guys, what is going on? In this video tutorial we're going to go over how you can fake your location on iOS 17. Right, so all you need is this Relocate app right here, and I'm just going to start the screen recording to show you exactly what this looks like. So it should be just on screen now. So let me go ahead and open Relocate17 right here, which is the app that you'll need in order to spoof your location and fake your location on iOS 17, which is the latest version. Right, so you can see here, you're just going to enable it at the top, and you're going to select the location once you have this app. And you can pretty much be anywhere in the world. Let's say I want to be in Paris. There we go, and now you can see it's going to pretty much select France, like so. And that's it. So we just tap save at the top right, and now we are in France, in Paris. So that is amazing, and it is literally so simple. So all you need to do is just open your web browser and go to this site right here, sideload.dev. So that's sideload.dev. Just search for Relocate17, like so, and just tap the DL button, just there. And now it just should start downloading to your device, and it'll work on any iPhone. And yeah, it's really simple. It works on iOS 17 and below, and yeah, so it's been tested specifically on iOS 17 though, so you should definitely try this, because it will surely work on your phone. Because you can see this is quite a recent iPhone that I'm using, and it's working flawlessly, so it should work for you too. It will support 13 Pro, 14 Pro, even the 15 Pro, so let's just install it. And now here you'll be taken to this page, and you must support the developers first in order to get access to Relocate17, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, that is really simple, and then you'll be able to just spoof and fake your location on iOS 17. So yeah, that's it guys, and I'll see you all later. Peace.